In today's video we are going to discuss about a great football player of recent times, Cristiano Ronaldo. Hello, this is Farah Mansour and you are watching Info News Diary. Today we will discuss about Cristiano Ronaldo's early life, his career and his social work. Early life. Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro was born on February 5, 1985, in Funchal, Madeira, Portugal. He was the youngest of 4 children born to Maria Dolores dos Santos Aveiro and José Diniz Aveiro. His father was a municipal gardener and his mother was a cook. Ronaldo began playing football at a young age and showed great promise. He joined the Andorinha youth team at the age of 8 and quickly rose through the ranks. Ronaldo's father, José Diniz Aveiro, died of liver failure in 2005. Ronaldo was very close to his father and has said that his death was a very difficult time for him. Ronaldo's mother, Maria Dolores dos Santos Aveiro, has been a constant source of support for him throughout his career. Early career. In 2002, Ronaldo signed with Sporting CP, a Portuguese professional football club. He made his professional debut for Sporting in 2002 and quickly became one of the most exciting young players in the world. Ronaldo's early career was not without its challenges. He was often criticized for his diving and his temper. However, he also showed great skill and potential. In 2003, he was named the FIFA World Player of the Year for the Under-20 category. Manchester United. In 2003, Ronaldo signed with Manchester United for a then-record transfer fee of £12 million. He made his Manchester United debut in August 2003 and scored his first goal for the club in September 2003. Ronaldo quickly became a key player for Manchester United and helped the team win 3 Premier League titles, 1 UEFA Champions League title, and 1 FIFA Club World Cup. Ronaldo was also named the PFA Players Player of the Year in 2007 and 2008. Real Madrid. In 2009, Ronaldo signed with Real Madrid for a then-record transfer fee of £80 million. He made his Real Madrid debut in July 2009 and scored his first goal for the club in August 2009. Ronaldo quickly became one of the most prolific goalscorers in the world and helped Real Madrid win 2 La Liga titles, 4 UEFA Champions League titles, and 2 FIFA Club World Cups. Ronaldo was also named the Ballon d'Or winner in 2008, 2013, 2014, 2016, and 2017. Juventus. In 2018, Ronaldo signed with Juventus for a then-record transfer fee of €100 million. He made his Juventus debut in August 2018 and scored his first goal for the club in September 2018. Ronaldo has helped Juventus win 2 Serie A titles, 1 Coppa Italia title, and 1 Supercoppa Italiana title. Ronaldo was also named the Serie A Footballer of the Year in 2019. Saudi club Al Nassr. Ronaldo joined Saudi club Al Nassr in January 2023 on a 2.5-year contract. He has since scored 14 goals in 16 appearances for the club. Ronaldo has said that he is happy at Al Nassr and that he is excited to help the club win trophies. Portugal national team. Ronaldo has also been a key player for the Portugal national team. He made his Portugal debut in 2003 and has since scored 117 goals in 189 appearances. Ronaldo helped Portugal win the UEFA European Championship in 2016 and the UEFA Nations League in 2019. Social work. Cristiano Ronaldo is a very philanthropic person and has been involved in a number of social work initiatives. He is an ambassador for 3 major charities: Save the Children, UNICEF, and World Vision. He has also donated money to a number of other charities, including the Red Cross, the Make-A-Wish Foundation, and the Ronaldo Foundation. In 2013, Ronaldo auctioned off his 2013 Ballon d'Or award to raise money for the Make-A-Wish Foundation. The award sold for €680,000, which is the highest amount ever paid for a sports award. In 2014, Ronaldo donated €1 million to the Red Cross to help with the Ebola crisis in West Africa. He also visited Sierra Leone to help raise awareness of the crisis. In 2016, Ronaldo donated €83,000 to a 10-year-old boy in India who needed surgery to treat a brain tumor. Ronaldo's social work has been recognized by many organizations. He has been named the most charitable athlete in the world by DoSomething.org, and he has received the Laureus World Sports Award for Sportsperson of the Year with a Conscience. Ronaldo's social work is an inspiration to many people around the world. He shows that even the most successful athletes can use their platform to make a difference. Here are some of the other social work initiatives that Ronaldo has been involved in. He has helped to build schools in Gaza and Nepal. He has donated money to help fight hunger and poverty in Africa. He has worked to raise awareness of HIV/AIDS and malaria. He has supported the work of the Ronaldo Foundation, which provides educational and sporting opportunities to children in need. Ronaldo's legacy. Cristiano Ronaldo is one of the greatest footballers of all time. He has won numerous individual and team awards, including 5 Ballon d'Or awards. He is also the all-time leading scorer for the Portugal national team. Ronaldo is an inspiration to many people around the world, and his legacy will continue to be celebrated for years to come. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.